Got a little pocket survival camping backpacking type stove. This is just enough to cook one person's meal, and your cooking area would be a small saucepan or a mess kit cup. Uh, this would be perfect for backpacking meals or MREs, anything of that nature. And that's how big it is. You can see by my hand. This is an all metal unit, and this is made from an old industrial part that I've modified. Here's your cooking surface, an overfire grate, and it's got several under fire air feed holes, and there's a feeder here if you want to push in small sticks or other material. This stove would be ideal for charcoal briquettes or small pieces of wood or biochar, trioxane, alcohol, whatever you want to cook in there. And the fuel area, this pulls right off for cleaning or adding fuel. And there's an undergrate air plate here. And I'll show you the legs. There's 3 legs. It's just nuts and bolts to keep it off the surface. And on each side, there's an under fire air hole, plus this feeder hole for giving it draft. And so they both feed in from both sides and here. And then I've drilled holes here too, so the airflow will go from the bottom to the top for ideal combustion. And it holds just enough to heat up a small meal. So you just fill it full of fuel, get it going. You can get it going from the side with a match or lighter, or just get it going from the top, and then put your cook plate on. When that snaps on, and you're ready to go. Fit right in a small area, and it's not very heavy at all. This would be ideal for one person or for survival needs, what have you. And I wanted to share this with you guys. I just got this project done, and I'll probably test it soon and do some cooking on it and make a video on that. You can leave in the comments if you'd like to see something like that. I'm probably going to do a live fire testing and cooking on some of these units outside very soon to make a presentation video on it and show you guys just how easy this is. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.